Hey everybody, Caleb O'Hara, the Red Shoe Realtor here, coming to you with the deal of the week this week. This is a fantastic 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a swimming pool in a gated community in Modesto for under $500,000. This is a beauty and it's not gonna last. Just give you an idea out the front door. Beautiful corner lot here, quiet streets, everything's nice and clean. Beautiful place. All right, let's go inside and check it out. Come in the front door here, you have your living room over here to the right. Nice, spacious living room. As we come back over here, you have your half bath. Oops, missed this light. Hey everybody, half bath downstairs. Then we come over here into the family room. Spacious family room that takes you into the garage. And so for all those guys out there that always want to see the garage, guess what? You get to see the garage. Ready? Whoosh. And there's the garage. Nice, big, deep garage with the laundry room in it. All ready to go if you're looking for a hobby garage room. And then this way, we've got nice granite countertops here, real wood cabinets. They don't make them like that anymore. Stainless steel appliances, gas stove, your refrigerator or microwave. Nice pantry area here. Come over here into our formal dining space, which is beautiful. A nice fireplace with a white hearth. And then as we turn this way, we're gonna head up the stairs. All 3 bedrooms are upstairs in this house. Over here to the right, nice spacious room. Here's your secondary bathroom, shower over tub, and another nice spacious bedroom. Look at these vaulted ceilings, add so much dimension. Here's the primary master. Nice big soaker tub, shower over top, dual sinks, and then very nice, deep, spacious master bedroom. Lots of mirrors behind the closet. Hey everybody, you can see my red shoes from here. They match in here. They go very well. Okay, that's not all. Don't leave me yet, because you got to take a look in the backyard, because this is one of the only homes in this entire subdivision that has a swimming pool. So you need to take a look at it. All right, go back this way. And there you have it. Beautiful swimming pool, patio area, perfect for barbecues, perfect family home. If you want to take a look at it, just shoot me a message. If you're seeing this online, comment below, send me a direct message, or you can always call us 209-237-0303, and we can schedule a private tour for you.